everybody, Janelle Torkington here with an app called Moon Plus Reader, or maybe just Moon Reader. I'm not sure if the plus is silent. It is a ebook reader for Android, totally free. You will have to deal with some ads, and it works really well. It's super simple. It's like a replacement for a Kindle, or if you just don't have your Kindle on you and you only have your mobile phone, you could use it to read ebooks in all sorts of different formats, including the really popular ones, EPUB and Mobi. I also see that you can use CHM, CBR, CBZ, UMD, FB2, TXT, HTML, RAR, RAR, zip, or OPDS files. That's a mouthful. PDFs you cannot do in the free version. You'll need to upgrade to Pro. It comes with these 3 sample texts so that you can see how the app works. Let's go to Alice's Adventures in Wonderland and check it out. So you can see it has a whole bunch of chapters here, and you can skip from chapter to chapter. Let's just start at the beginning. And it looks like this by default. So if I scroll with my finger, okay, so I guess I have to tap first on the left. No, if I tap on the right, then it goes forward, just like on a Kindle. Yep, and it'll skip forward pages. And then I can also scroll, which is something you can't do on a Kindle, added value, and scroll as fast as it takes me to read the book. You can also change your settings. You can swap to a horizontal view. We'll swap it back to vertical. And you can swap to a nighttime view so that you don't hurt your eyes. You can also choose auto scroll, which I think is pretty cool. I like the rolling ones. So let's roll by pixel. And you can select the speed at which you want it to scroll. And you can change the speed even while it's scrolling. See how it comes down from the top of the page? Cool. And then I can pause it. I can speed it up. And let's stop. There we go. Scroll canceled. Okay. Let's switch it back to daytime mode. And of course, like all ebook readers, you can highlight passages that you find really interesting. Oops, here we go. Highlight. I can choose what color I want to highlight it, and I can also select whether I want to underline it or strike out. I can even add a little squiggly line underneath and choose what color the squiggly line is. Pretty cool. I can add notes to whatever, and it'll add a little post-it for me, I think. Ooh, I can change my note color. We'll make it orange, orange color. Okay. And then I get a little post-it. Super nice. And I can add a bookmark wherever I like. So I can see these things that I've made notes about, and then I can add a new bookmark. So I don't forget where I am. Be really good for use if you need to study, you need to go back and have references in a longer piece of text. You can skip to the table of contents whenever you like, and go from place to place in the book. It's also super easy to go back to the main screen where you'll see an ad. You can X out of it, and then you'll see your whole collection of books here. It's super easy to upload your files onto here. All you have to do is connect your device to your computer and then transfer over the files. If you have many books, you can also filter them by author, by whether you're reading them currently, only the ones that are unread, etc. You can search using a keyword. Oops, I've opened Alice again. Okay, let's go back. I get another ad. There are ads in this, but while you're reading, it's a pretty clean experience. Here's for importing books. You can open a random book if you're feeling really crazy. And then you can even see statistics on the way in which you've been reading. Kind of cool. How fast you read. And then here's your reading history. For me, it's not too long yet, but I'm sure that you will be much more of a bookworm than I am. So that's Moon Plus Reader. Simple and recommended. If you get tired of the ads, you can upgrade to the Pro version. And you'll get totally rid of them. You'll also get access to reading PDF files. And it's a recommended ebook reader. Clean, simple, lightweight. I do a lot more video reviews like this, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I also do Let's Play videos, as well as how-tos. So let me know how you like it, guys. And if you have any more apps you want me to review, let me know in the comments.